Welcome to AM Best Audio. Recent natural catastrophe losses brought attention to the mining industry insurance market at a time when abundant capacity is somewhat offsetting increased risk for underwriters. That, according to industry brokers. It's a story that BestWire's Dave Pilla has been following, and he joins us now. And Dave, how are mining insurance brokers balancing abundant capacity with the increased frequency and severity of natural catastrophe losses? And what does that mean for pricing and terms in this specialty segment?
Thank you, John. Thanks for having me. Brokers are seeing that mining underwriters have seen some recent large losses, especially there have been a couple of very large losses in Australia and Indonesia lately. But overall capacity remains available to offset increased risk in a competitive market for the mining insurers. Insurers are finding that, or brokers, I should say, are finding that non-specialist insurers in some cases are looking to top up new revenue that they see, and they see mining as a potential stream. Now, the mining insurance market adapted to higher demand, I should say, with ample capacity, lower rates, and more favorable terms in early 2025. Pricing is falling amid rising competition on a global scale.
Which liability exposures are presenting the greatest challenges to insurers writing mining risks today, Dave?
With the most recent losses, business interruption has been the big area where mining companies are finding losses. Property losses also are very big. Regulatory changes in commodity volatility and scarcity are also adding to those losses. Now, international casualty rates fell by up to 5% in the past year for insurers, even with several major mining collapses. And directors and officers' liability is also a risk for mining companies. But the D&O market generally showed rate decreases and offered broad coverage to companies demonstrating sustainable mining practices. Environmental claims and regulatory investigations are also key concerns for insurers related to liability.
Dave, what role do you see international insurers playing in helping mining clients manage emerging exposures?
Yeah, international insurers are still very important to in filling domestic gaps amid an expansion of local markets in mining. Even with strong domestic markets, the London market continues to add value for many clients with complex claims histories or who are seeking innovative coverage. Now, local considerations are key for a particular operation for the international underwriters taking on risks. So they have to be very careful about the kinds of local risks that they are seeing, depending on their specific location.
It's an interesting story. Dave, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thanks, John.
That was BestWire's Dave Pilla, and I'm John Weber for AM Best Audio.
Looking to get the full attention of the insurance industry? We have the platforms that will do just that. Whether it be AM Best TV, AM Best Audio, Best Review Magazine, or Best Day. Find out more by calling AM Best Advertising Sales at 908-439-2200, extension 5399, and have a great day.